In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Instacart promo code in February. You can simply get the Instacart discount code in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up any browser of your own choice. If you're using an iPhone, open up your Safari. On the search bar, type in Instacart promo code February. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you'll have to choose a legit website. Select this website right here where you save up to 20% off this February on Instacart. Select any coupon code of your own choice. As you can see, our code is generated successfully. Go ahead and copy the code to clipboard. You can just tap right here to redeem directly to Instacart. Go to the Instacart website and make sure you paste in your coupon code before making any kind of payment. The simple trick here is to double check down and see if your discount code is applied successfully. That's how easy it is to get your Instacart promo code every February. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.